It is Vlogmas Day 1! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Altea and this is a mainly crochet channel, but I do put some daily vlogs and some DIYs which I happen to do as I go along. And today it is Vlogmas Day 1. I'm so excited for this series because I will be doing Vlogmas. I did do Vlogmas last year, but this year it will be 25 videos every single day. Last year's Vlogmas series was a series of crochet patterns and some Christmas DIYs, which was very good, but I only posted every 3 days during the month of December, which was a very big challenge, but I did it. This year I won't be sharing any crochet patterns or Christmas DIYs. I will just be taking you along with me for some daily vlogs. First things first, I have crocheted a sweater, the Weasley sweater, because this December I will be going to the Harry Potter studios in London, where I will be doing the Harry Potter tour, and it will be a 2-day Harry Potter themed event. It was a must that I would crochet the Weasley sweater, and not just for me, I did one for my husband as well, so that we will be just 2 Harry Potter fans, though he has just seen the movies after all these years, but 2 Harry Potter fans wandering London in a Weasley sweater. And I will be taking you with me during these few days in London that we have. We will be visiting some locations where the Harry Potter movie was filmed and also visit some Christmas markets. We will also be visiting the Cauldron. It's a wizard experience where you get to make your potions, so I'm very excited for that. See whatever is Christmassy in London, and it is just a few days from today. So excited. And the second most exciting part of this Vlogmas, which it's basically what inspired Vlogmas for 25 days, is I buy a gift for myself for Christmas every year. I buy a gift from me to me. I don't know about you, but I love doing that. And for this year, once I saw this item for pre-order, I had to have it right away. It was an impulse buy. I have managed to buy, before it went completely sold out, the Crochet Society Advent Calendar. Look how big this is. My body fits exactly behind it. I have 25 boxes and each box is filled with a surprise. I have received this a few days ago and the box is it was very well delivered. It's just a few bumps here and there, but other than that it looks very good. It comes with these doors, so we have a surprise every day when you open these doors, and it looks so adorable and Christmassy. Wait a minute. So that's much better. Every day I have to seek and search for the next number. It's much more exciting this way. Because when you have a chocolate calendar, you have to really look into finding that chocolate. It's hard work, so I feel like I had to do the same thing here. In each drawer, there's a ball of yarn and a surprise. So we have 25 balls of yarn and 25 little surprises. So each day I will be showing you what each box contains for that particular day. The Crochet Society will be releasing a pattern where you will have, if you have bought this calendar, you will have a link where you can access this pattern. And each day you will find a new pattern for you to follow along and create a square, where at the end of this Vlogmas we will have ourselves a blanket. And if you have some leftover yarns, there are also 4 mini patterns that they will be sharing with us, which are free and they came with the advent calendar. I'm so excited to see what these patterns are all about. I did try to log in when I received this calendar, but the page was not yet available, so I couldn't just peek and maybe cheat a little. I guess I was too excited and too eager to start. Also, there is a Facebook community for whoever has bought this advent calendar, where they will be sharing their progress and also help each other out. And everyone is posting from all over the world. Thankfully, this box was available worldwide and I am from Malta. I was lucky enough to be able to get my hands on one of these calendars. I really love how this calendar looks. You have the numbers in gold and we have some trees, mittens, the Christmas balls, some stockings, presents, wreaths. It's very Christmas themed. And I know also that, trying not to look, once you're done for this Christmas advent calendar, we can multi-purpose these boxes for you to hold your stuff and trinkets, tools, and you can just turn the boxes the other way around. The boxes are very, very pretty. I really love the colors and how it has that confetti look, and the gold, it's very sparkly and Christmassy. So this is the first square. I am nearly done. I am currently in row 5 and there's a few more rows to go, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful this is. I really love the yarn. It's very soft to touch and it smells unusually pleasant. Also, the hook, although it glittered, I did not feel that it was uncomfortable to work with. So far so good. I'm very happy for my first day. Also, I don't know if you can see, I have the reindeer earrings on. So now I will just finish this off and then I will block it, and that will be all for today. And we will wait for tomorrow's pattern. The pattern came with a written pattern and also a video tutorial, so it was very easy to follow along. This pattern was made of basically double crochets. Another note is that the pattern is using UK. These lines over here are worked using a raised treble, which was something new for me, but I really love how it turned out. Let's keep working this and finish it off, block it, and we're done for today. My square is done. I really love the pattern. It is very defined. Now, according to the pattern, each square must measure about 17 centimeters after blocking. At the moment, it's already 17, so I will just need to straighten it a little bit. I have quite some yarn left over, so I'm looking for those mini patterns that they will be releasing. There will be 4 which will be released periodically, not all at once. So now let's just block it. I just need to weave the tails also, and we're done for today. Actually, even the back is very pretty. I don't know if you can see that. So for day 1, I'm very pleased, I must say, and I really love the hook. The yarn is really, really soft. I love it. Can't wait to snuggle up in this blanket. Don't forget to like and subscribe to also be notified when my next video is up, and to join me for this year's Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow.